Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And want to get some things updated here, although I guess update's probably not the right word. More so confirmation would be an accurate term. And that main point of confirmation comes via this red line right here at 675. Talked about that on Monday's video as a level of resistance. You can see the price was rejected by it a couple of times. And then you fast forward to today, and once again, you can see right there, the price has been rejected by that area. So I'm not saying 675 can't be broken or it's impossible to break through it or anything like that. All I'm saying is that we now have confirmation that, yeah, that area is definitely apparently going to be quite stubborn, and that if there is going to be any sort of, attempted move back to the upside, to get up above 7, then, in the near term, that 675 is really, like I said, getting pretty stubborn there, and that'll be the initial level to keep an eye on. The other thing to now keep an eye on as it's getting much more relevant is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And I say getting relevant because, as the name implies, that's the moving average. So that line is going to continue to move itself downward. So eventually, that line will actually move itself down below 675. And at that point in time is when the purple line there, the 50-period, has higher priority. As of right now, because the purple line is still up above 675, that 675 mark has, the initial priority. But like I said, probably going to happen either Wednesday, for sure Thursday. If the price stays below this area, that purple line will cross down below 675. And at that point, like I said, you'd want to make the mental note that the first key hurdle to break above is going to be, first that 50-period and then 675. But like I said, as of now, 675 is still that key level. Now, from the support side of things, the one area that I do like, and you got to give credit where credit's due, is the price is starting to slowly build in some higher bases here, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So the price does have some nice little upward stair steps in the near term. Don't get me wrong, does that guarantee that this thing is for sure breaking up above 675? I'm not saying that, but it's definitely a step in the right direction, and it's definitely, some bullish activity that could present itself as a leading indicator here. So from support-wise, though, you still have that green line down there right around 655, but preferably speaking, if these stair steps can remain intact, that would be the best case going forward. So all in all, still plenty of work to be done, but like I said, the upward stair steps here do add an interesting little angle to it, so we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.